Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to redeem your Dragon City codes. So to do this, what you can do is just open up your mobile browser or your laptop browser. You can try both, but it is better to go on the mobile where you have installed the game. Just open up your Chrome browser or Safari or Edge or whatever browser you use. And once you open that browser, just go to Google and search here redeem Dragon City codes. So once you write that, just click on enter, and after that you will be seeing these websites like their Facebook page and their x.com. And the first website is dragoncitygame.com. This is the basically their official website and the redeem section. So just open this one on your mobile phone and you will be seeing this kind of interface like store, daily streak, redeem, game, news, social. So just ignore all these options and scroll down a little bit, and here you will see this option called login and redeem. So once you're in your mobile phone, just make sure to download your game and make sure to log in with your account. And once you click on login, so they will ask you to log in with your gaming account. And once you logged in, your account will be logged in here on the right corner. And once you're logged in with your account, so just refresh this page. And once you refresh, this will be like redeem. So the only option available will be redeem. So just enter the code, click on redeem. And once you click on redeem, it will take a few seconds to load. And after that, you will be able to redeem your code. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can redeem your Dragon City codes. So try this method and do not waste trying any other methods. That is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.